Cobra stretch.
Hi guys, we're going to do our cobra stretch now. Does everyone know what a cobra is? A cobra is a type of snake. It's the ones that have the big, beautiful heads. And sometimes when they see you coming, they pop up in the grass and go like this. So we're going to turn into some cobras right now. Okay, can you lie down on the floor with your bellies touching the floor? Very good. And let's put our hands to our side here. And we're going to turn into cobras all together. What we're going to do is we're going to push. Can we push? Let's all push up and turn into cobras. And I want us to go and down. Oh, goodness. Okay, we're cobras in the grass. And we've just seen someone and we're going to pop up. And down. Oh, goodness. Let's go one more time. Let's pretend we're snakes in the grass. And turn into cobras. Hissing. And down. Very good. This time, let's try it without our hands on the ground. And let's see if we can do a flying cobra. Ready everyone for a flying cobra? And up. And hissing. And down. Oh, goodness. Let's try that one more time. That's a tough one. So if you can't do that, just use your hands. It's totally okay. Ready, everyone? And flying cobra. Very good. Flying. And down. Oh, dear. Very good.
Okay, now that you're a professional, let's do it with some music. Let's go.
Cobra stretching with Josh. On your bellies and put your hands to your sides like Josh. Ready to push up and become cobras? And cobra! And down. Great job. Let's go again. Hands to your side and ready to push up. 1, 2, 3. Cobras! And rest. That's not easy, well done. Let's go again. Hands to your side. 1, 2, 3. Cobras! And rest. Let's become flying cobras this time. Hands in the air, ready? 1, 2, 3. Flying cobras! Whooshing in the air. Oh, well done. Let's try again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Flying cobras! Cobra Airlines! Oh, great job.
Hope you had fun, guys. We will see you later. And don't stop moving!